In the hills of San Miguel de Allende, a residence follows the natural contours of the steep terrain. Rather than drastically altering the landscape, the design utilizes the site's conditions as part of the architectural experience. From a distance, the building appears calm and simple, its form blending with the surrounding soil and distinctive vegetation. The composition is formed by two complementary volumes. The lower one is a solid concrete mass embedded in the slope, while the upper volume feels lighter and more open to the views. This approach creates a balance between protection and openness, while strengthening the building's connection to the landscape that stretches before it. Inside, the living, dining, and kitchen areas are arranged in an open layout that allows daily activities to proceed naturally. Large glass openings bring in abundant light and frame panoramic views of the surrounding valley. Materials such as exposed concrete, wood, and glass are used candidly, creating a warm atmosphere without losing its modern character. One of the most striking moments emerges from the open courtyard at the heart of the house. A tree grows directly from the ground and becomes the focal point of the space. The changing sunlight throughout the day creates a play of shadows on the concrete surface, creating an ever-changing experience and strengthening the occupant's connection to nature. The master bedroom is situated in a tranquil setting, directly facing the landscape outside. Wide glass openings allow natural light to fill the space from morning until morning, while simultaneously presenting views that change with the changing time of day and the seasons. With simple materials and a soft color palette, this space is designed as a warm and calming retreat, offering an intimate connection between the occupants and nature without sacrificing privacy. More than just a place to rest, this residence is designed as a space that preserves family stories and honors the legacy built over the years. Through simple forms, honest materials, and a sensitive relationship to the environment, This project demonstrates how architecture can bridge memories, nature, and everyday life.